If you're 60 plus and popping vitamins daily for those strong legs, but still feel weak, numb, or tingly, this video is for you. Stick around, because today we're uncovering the worst vitamins you should definitely avoid. They might be sabotaging your leg strength and balance. 1. Vitamin B6, the silent nerve saboteur. Vitamin B6 helps energy and brain function, but too much can destroy your leg nerves. Studies, behind the scenes, show doses over 100 milligrams per day cause peripheral neuropathy, tingling, burning, numbness in your feet and legs, even irreversible damage in rare cases. Tip: check labels for pyridoxine, pyridoxal phosphate. Total B6 should stay below 100 milligrams per day, ideally under 50 milligrams. 2. Vitamin D, bone helper, gone bad. Vitamin D is vital, but too much clogs you with calcium, weakening muscles, and even damaging kidneys. AARP and Time recommend max 1,000 IU per day. If you're over 65, anything above 4,000 IU per day can lead to dangerous muscle weakness and leg fatigue. Tip: have your doctor test your 25 OHD levels before supplementing. 3. Vitamin A, the bone biter. Vitamin A sounds harmless, but in high doses it weakens bones, causing fractures and joint pain. Left unchecked, it can even cripple your legs. Daily A intake above 1,500 micrograms for years equals higher risk of osteoporosis and painful legs. Tip: skip high-dose A or beta-carotene supplements. Get some vitamin A from food instead. 4. Calcium. Too much of a good thing. Calcium pills seem logical for strong bones, but overdoing it leads to kidney stones, muscle cramps, constipation, even mortality risk. High calcium equals stiff legs, cramps, sluggish walking. Tip: limit supplemental calcium to 500 to 600 milligrams per day. Get the rest from low-fat dairy, leafy greens. Other hidden culprits: you might already take vitamin C, massive doses, causes crampy legs, diarrhea, and kidney stones in seniors. Vitamin E, too much, thins blood, can lead to muscle weakness, dizziness, blurred vision. Niacin B3 overload causes flushing, leg cramps, and joint pain. Healthline.com checklist before you swallow. That pill lab test first. Vitamin D and B6 levels. Read labels carefully. Spot B6 aliases. Stay within ULs, upper limits. Daily B6 less than 100 milligrams. D less than 4,000 international units. A less than 1,500 micrograms. Consult your doc, especially if you take meds or have kidney bone issues. Food first approach. Natural sources beat synthetic every time. Conclusion: walk strong, live long. Remember, taking vitamins shouldn't weaken your legs or risk your freedom to walk. Be smart. Test, read labels, choose wisely, and talk to your doctor. If you found this helpful, tap like, share with friends and family, and leave a comment. Which supplement surprised you the most? Stay strong, stay balanced, and keep loving life. Hit subscribe for more senior health tips.